guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are in Paracas, Peru, and we're going to show you everything we do in one full day. So we're going to go to Islas Ballestas, which we can see some cool animals and wildlife and rock formations. And then after that, we're going to go on this bad boy and head to the National Reserve where we can see beautiful beaches and more. So we're going to take you guys with us and we'll see you there. We are starting our morning off with a boat tour to the Islas Ballestas, which we're gonna see a bunch of cool rock formations and some wildlife. I really hope we see penguins, but this is so exciting for me. It's a beautiful morning and it's about 2.5 hours.
Here we go.
In the middle on the top is like a torch, like a flame, like a fire. It represents the mineral kingdom, and on the left is like a reptile, so it represents the animal kingdom. Those birds that you see over there, the biggest one, those are Peruvian pelicans, the biggest animals also because they only dive 1.5 meters.
Due to the Peruvian current here, there's a lot of cold water anchovy fishing. These sea lions love to come up and steal the catch, jump in the net, and then jump back out. It's a pretty awesome sight to see.
Anchoveta.
The cold current actually flows up the coast of Peru from Antarctica, and that is why there are penguins that are able to live there. The current brings nutrients to the surface, it attracts many fish, which is obviously how the penguins are able to eat, and it actually provides a shelter for them within the current. I was seriously so excited to see penguins, you guys. It was honestly the highlight of this trip for me. I'm not kidding you guys, I actually cried a few tears of joy when I saw the penguins because I have never seen penguins in the wild and it's just crazy to me. Like, I was so happy and I was so excited, and one of the things that I wanted to do on this trip was see penguins, and we saw probably like 7 of them, so that was really cool.
There was these cool birds, and there was no joke, so many starfish. I've never seen this many before. Just on the other side of the island was a bunch of sea lions just bathing, having a good old time, being loud and stinky as they are. But this was a cool sight to see because there was babies, there was mamas protecting the babies, and the alpha males and the teenagers fighting. This was a spectacular and amusing sight to see, but time to head back now. So we just finished up with the island tour, and all I have to say is that is a must-do, and it was amazing. We got a scooter now, and now we're going to go into the National Reserve and check it out on the scooter for the next few hours, so let's go.
We booked a combo tour with Lluvia de Arenas, and we definitely recommend them. Super helpful. They gave us a great price, so all in all we're spending 190 soles to do this experience, and that is about $50 US to do both the island and the reserve in one day.
And this is the route we'll be taking today. Should be about 40 kilometers. We got it for a full day till about 5 to 6 p.m. And just like that, we're heading out to the Paracas National Reserve. Before you actually can get in the reserve though, you have to show them your ticket you buy with the tour company or at the gate. The National Reserve was established in 1975 and is 827,800 acres of coastal desert, few islands, and surrounding marine habitats. Inhabiting this protected region are representative samples of Peru's coastal marine ecosystems and the highest concentration of seabirds anywhere in the world. What just happened?
I got stuck in the sand because I went in the middle. It's your turn to drive.
No, you're fine. Now you have to drive it more because otherwise the fear.
No, I don't feel fear.
We almost went down.
We didn't though.
You did a really good job at saving that. I was like, no hands, just free falling, ready to go. And we're literally in the middle of nowhere. Give it a little more gas, but slowly. The tire's not even moving, just so you know. Okay, stop, stop, stop. Stop. Woo! There's where our back tire got stuck. We got it out. Luckily, we just had to pick it up and pull it out. Sam decided to continue driving just so she didn't end on a bad note. We went a little bit further to try to find a nice beach that's not touristic. We just pulled up on these guys and they were fishing. They had a bunch of octopus they fished for. They climbed down the cliff and they go and fish with this. So they're showing us their octopus. Look what I caught! Got ourselves some good octopus. It's about $7 per kilo. And they said they have about 15 kilos here. This thing is heavy. Ay, no. Una foto también. So they climb down here. They enter the water. And looks like there's a little rock bed right there where they go out and do it, but this is their full-time job. So what a coincidence, we just stopped at the beach on the road that we just found and we met Oscar and Luis here. They're fishing for octopus and they actually go down and free dive. It's just been an awesome experience here. Oscar, Luis, muchas gracias. Thank you for showing us.
Ok.
Sí. ¿Quieres decir algo?
Nos alegra haber encontrado a ustedes aquí en este paisaje, ¿no? Nos ha alegrado mucho a Luis y a mí. Esperamos que regresen pronto y que le vaya muy bien. Sigan conociéndolo.
Gracias.
Gracias, Luis.
Okay, Luis.
Oscar.
Dylan.
Bueno.
Ahora Zapata.
We just stopped and grabbed some snacks, got back to the little tourist route, and now we're heading down to see the cathedral, some peanuts and chifles. Out there.
This is La Catedral, the rock they call the cathedral, which was actually a mountain at one point when the South America was much farther south.
Cool, so we just stopped at Lagunitas and we are gonna get some food here at Sol del Oro. We both got a chaufa de verduras, which is just like veggies and rice. So this should be really good. It was about 30 soles for this, and then we got 2 coffees. So.
And they brought us these little passion fruit juices. At first they were bringing around like shots of like pisco. We said we didn't drink, and so they brought us these, which is really nice. And then the corn nuts, of course, always love these. Just got done eating and we drove to the last beach. We are at La Mina Beach. The waters look absolutely pristine turquoise. I'm really excited to swim. This is a little bit crowded. The other beach might be a little less crowded, but we're gonna check it out and see what it's like.
It's definitely the hot spot. There's wildlife everywhere, crabs, birds, sea urchins.
So we decided to move beaches. That one was really overcrowded, but we got a view of this beach over here and there's a lot less people. Still really sandy, so that's what we're gonna go do.
Found our little spot.
Undressing?
Oh yeah.
Wrap for one day in Paracas. We had such a fantastic time. I think for me, my favorite part was definitely seeing penguins, but also swimming in this beautiful cove-like area. The waters were just turquoise, but we have to head back now. It's almost 5 and we have to drop off the scooter. So thanks so much for coming with us. I hope that you found some inspiration on things to do when you visit Paracas, and I hope you enjoy it as much as we have.
Bye.
Bye.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.